Welcome to Azzadous Studios. Today we're going to take a look at an organ bass, sort of sound you might hear in organ bassline. UKG, speed garage, that kind of thing, niche, all that sort of stuff. It's a really simple bass to make. I have been trying to make it more complex, but because of how simple it is, it really doesn't need anything else. And I've added a few extra little tweaks, but that's it. If you like the video, like and share, and remember to subscribe and ring the bell to keep up to date with future videos. Okay, so the organ bass, it sounds like this. I'm just going to switch off these extra VSTs. All I've got is a Pro Q2, just rolling off some highs because there's a nasty click. So I'm just rolling that off. And I've got a compressor, an 1176. And then another compressor, Live 8 compressor, sidechaining from the kick. So it's a really simple patch, 2 sine waves and a few added extras. Like I say in the intro, I have been trying to make this a bit more complex, but it's pretty difficult to make complex because it's literally that simple. So let's have a run through. Initialize preset. I'm going to start off with the basic shapes on oscillator A and on oscillator B. Both on the very first shape, which is the sine wave. Oscillator B, we're going to put up 1 octave, and then we're going to add the 5th. Before I do that, I'm going to show you what it sounds like. Okay, I'm just going to bring that master down a little bit. The 5th is going to be 7 semitones up. If you take a C chord, for example, we've got C, E, and G. The E is the 3rd, which is 4 semitones up, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And the G is the 5th. So if you count that up, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we are on the G. So that means to add the 5th, we want to go up 7 semitones. What we're going to do is set up this envelope, bring the sustain all the way down. And just adjust that curve. And let's stick a filter on, cut off all the way up, A and B through it, resonance off. And we're just going to give it a bit of drive, a little bit of fat, just to push it a little bit really. The sub, I'm going to start off with a sine wave 1 octave down. And you can play around with this. If I stick the triangle on, so we're getting a bit of a click, which we're going to take care of now. So we're just going to bring the attack up a little bit. About there will do fine. I'm going to bring that release up a touch. There we go. So yeah, the sub, you can use whatever you want. Just see what sounds nice. I wouldn't really use a saw wave. It absolutely decimates the sound. So triangle wave or a sine wave for a cleaner sound. So over to the effects. I'm going to start off with the delay because that's the most important thing on this sound. I'm going to switch the BPM link off and I'm just going to adjust these separately so we get a bit more stereo. I'm just going to bring the mix down. So it's really subtle, but it really adds to the sound. It makes it sound a lot better. So before that, what I'm going to stick on is the hyper dimension. So we're going to switch the hyper all the way off, and I'm just going to put a touch of dimension on, maybe about 10% size. And I've got the mix on 14%, anywhere between 10 and maybe 20. You don't want too much, it's just again adding a little bit of width. So then a compressor, and that's probably okay just exactly as it is. You could tweak it a little bit, but it really doesn't need it. And then the EQ. So what I'm going to do is just roll off the really lows. So if you remember, we've got our subs on direct out, so that's going to bypass the EQ anyway. So we can roll off a little bit higher. We're still going to get that sub through. So I'm rolling off about 58 Hz there. And then on the top, what I'm going to do is just roll off the highs a bit. About 3.5K, that should do. And I'm pretty sure that is 100% of the patch. There's, like I say, different ways you can try and make it more complex, but in essence it's a really simple sound, but really effective, really lovely sound. So that is the organ bass. If you like it, let me know in the comments below. If you like the video, like and share, and remember to subscribe and ring the bell to keep up to date with future videos. See you next time.